Cheese lovers, this one is for you. Crispy outside, creamy cheesy inside. My husband didn't even leave me leftovers after this one. Hey foodies, it's Chef Ate here, your friendly kitchen wife who loves to feed her husband and you through the screen. And today we're making creamy stuffed chicken. Baked to golden perfection, it's cheesy, it's comforting, it's love on the plate. Let's get cooking! For this creamy stuffed chicken, you'll need 1.5 ounce cream cheese, 1 cup mozzarella cheddar cheese, half cup of mixed Monterey Jack and cheddar cheese because one cheese is never enough, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, dried onion, basil, black pepper, and salt. The flavor squad, fresh spinach for that pop of green, and chicken breast. Slice your chicken breast in half lengthwise, but don't go all the way through. We're opening a book, not cutting it in half. Season both sides really well with our spice girls. Garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, dried oregano, basil, black pepper, and salt. This is our foundation of flavor. Now for the fun part, the stuffing. In a bowl, mix your chopped spinach, cream cheese, and most of the shredded cheese. Save a little for later to make that golden crust. It's like a creamy, cheesy veggie hug. Gently spoon the filling into your chicken, then fold it shut. If it doesn't behave, grab some toothpicks or kitchen twine to hold everything together. Think of it as sewing a cheesy pillow. Place your stuffed chicken in a baking dish. Then into the oven, 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. About halfway through, open the oven and sprinkle on the rest of that shredded cheese. That's how you get that golden bubbly crust. Once it's cooked, let it rest for a few minutes before slicing. Then just look at that creamy, cheesy magic. Serve it with rice, veggies, or just grab a fork and dig in. Here are some of the most common questions I see about this dish. Can I use chicken thighs instead of breast? You can, but breast works best because it's easier to butterfly and stuff. Thighs tend to be smaller and trickier to fill. Can I make this ahead of time? Yes! You can stuff the chicken, cover it, and keep it in the fridge up to 24 hours before baking. Perfect for busy nights. Can I add other veggies to the filling? Definitely! Mushrooms, bell peppers, even carrots would be amazing. This is your chance to get creative. Do I need toothpicks? If your chicken is big and sturdy, you might not need them. If it's overstuffed, toothpicks keep it together while baking. What cheese works best? Mozzarella is stretchy, cheddar adds sharpness, Monterey Jack melts beautifully. Use whatever makes your cheesy heart happy. And there you have it. Creamy stuffed chicken, straight from my kitchen to yours. If you made it this far, thank you, foodies! Click like, comment, and subscribe for more easy dishes made with love. And if you're in the mood for another treat, watch next!